Yo, what up guys? It's Tristan Lady. We're back with another video. Today I got an unboxing, so we'll get into that in just a second. First off, if you're new, like and subscribe. We're almost at 300, so we're like less than 10 subs away, so get us there please. I've been trying to hit 300 for a grip, so it'd mean a lot. And if you want to see what I'm wearing, I got this Joshua t-shirt. I really just like it because it goes with the Easy 700s, the V3s that I have. I have the copper fade or whatever. So yeah, I always like these. And then I just got some like maroon gym shorts on. But yeah, those V3s are so slept on. V3s overall are usually slept on. But yeah, today we actually don't have any Yeezys. It's the first time getting like a Jordan unboxing, I think, in a minute. I'm trying to think of the last Jordan I unboxed, because the last couple videos have been like fitted and Yeezys, unless I'm just not thinking of something, which is very common. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get into these. So I kind of forgot a knife, so I'm like opening it up from the bottom, but it'll work. As you can see, it is a Jordan 1 box. And these were sneakers dubs, so that probably narrows it down quite a bit. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and put a paper back. And we got the bred low OGs. Dang, the quality is like a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. Okay. So yeah, we got the bred low OGs. These actually are what some people call bricks. I don't really like understand that, because if you like a shoe, you like a shoe, but it's whatever. But yeah, I don't know. So if you don't know like what the difference between a low cut and a low OG is, they're two different shoes. Like, I used to have a pair of like just regular lows that weren't the low OGs. And like they usually have like the Jordan Jumpman right here, and then like the tongue stick. That was like, they have a different tongue on the lows that aren't the OGs. It's like a weird cut, and then I don't know, they just got a little bit different cut on them. It's not super different, but when you see the low compared to the low OG is just a lot better in my opinion. And the materials on the low they're just not real great. The lows retail is a really good price. It's a lot less than the low OGs, but yeah. And then the back tab is different too. I'm trying to think, like, I don't remember something about like the way the heel is. It just looks different. But yeah, the materials are really nice on here. So on the black shiny leather, it's like got a gloss effect. I don't know if it's super like visible in person. It's not like super glossy, but it's definitely a little bit shiny. But it feels really nice. Like, the leather is really good, especially for Jordan. The toe box, the white leather is good leather too. The medial side's not quite as good, but it's still like pretty decent for Jordan brand leather. Even the back leather's good. It's a little bit, I think that's a synthetic, whereas I think the front is like a real leather, but I think the back's synthetic, honestly. And then your Jumpman's like synthetic leather too. But yeah, so I mean, there's not too much to these, but they're just really clean. And I don't know, sometimes I just like having lows compared to the highs. I don't really know why, but I don't know, because like when I wear jeans and stuff, I like to wear the lows, because you can't really see the highs sometimes unless you cuff your jeans a lot. And sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't want to cuff them. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep these yet, so I was like 50-50 on them. Like, I mess with them, but I don't know, I don't really need them, to be honest, because I really want the Jordan 1 low platinum OGs, the platinum and white. They're really simple, but they go with like everything. But the leather on these is really nice. I'm probably gonna see what I can. Oh, I forgot to mention, they also do come with black laces too, like extra laces. The box that they came in is like sucks though, because I didn't even touch them, and it's like falling apart. So not the actual like Jordan box, but the lace like packet thing, whatever that is. That's pretty much it to these. I mean, there's not a whole lot to say. They're a classic. It's just crazy that they like breaked. I mean, they're close to a classic at least. And bred toe highs go for quite a bit of money, so I just couldn't believe the lows break. And it's really weird though. And I don't know if I said this. The insole is it's not like an ortholite insole. When you pull it out, it's nice because these actually pull straight out because they're not glued down. But it's got it's white and it's got the Nike Air. But it's like the black kind of insoles. I don't know how to explain it. They're not the Dream Cell insoles. They're like a whole different insole. But to me they're better than the ortholite because they're a little bit more fluffy and I think they last longer. Because the ortholites aren't bad, but the ortholites to me bottom out like probably the quickest out of any of the insoles. So yeah. But I just want to say thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Road to 300. So if you're new, like and subscribe. And peace.